In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website on Odoo. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website and you want to sign into your account or of course create one if you don't have one yet. Then you want to go and click on apps up top, and from here you want to go to the website builder. Inside the website builder here, when you're signed in, you can just click on start now, it's free, and you'll be directed to a separate page here where you can basically create your website. So you can first put in your first and last name. So I'm just going to put in instant how to right now, and then you have to put in your website name as well. So I'm just going to name this one instant how to test over here, which is going to be a tutorial, and then you have to put in your email, phone number, country, and language. Okay, I'm just going to click on start now, and then it's going to generate a website for me over here. And the first time you see this, it's going to say welcome to Odoo, and then in here it's going to say the one platform you'll ever need to transform all your activities. And then you have to wait for a few seconds for this to load, and it's going to ask you, there we go. So usually like this, it's going to ask you ready to build the perfect website, and then they can set you up and running in 4 steps. So we can click on let's do it, or you can skip and start from scratch. So I'm just gonna skip and start from scratch here, and it's gonna start building your website. Of course, you could go through that builder if you want to. I'm just gonna show you how to do this, and there we go. This is gonna be the basis you'll see. So it's gonna be your base website over here on your domain up top. Now, the first thing you should know is that this is basically your default, and if you want to edit anything, you can edit it by going to the edit button top right. So to do this, you can simply go ahead and hit edit, and then from here you have a bunch of different things. You have blocks, style, and theme. Okay, so the theme is kind of your website theme. You can change a bunch of things here. I'm going to show you this in a few seconds, but to actually start creating your website, you want to go to blocks first, and you want to put in the correct blocks. So as you can see here, you can drag building blocks over here from this menu on the right, and you can then just start building your site. So the first one, we're just going to add an intro. I'm going to drag and drop, and here you have like a bunch of different options for the intro. I'm actually just going to put on this intro over here, and there we go. We now have the intro in here. You can then add something else, like maybe columns. You can add it, drag it in here. You can set whatever you want. I'm gonna put this one, for example, and then you can of course add more. You have like some text if you only want to add text like this. You could add different contact and forms, socials, people, etc. You can drag and drop these anywhere you want on here on your site, and that way you kind of build the loadout for your site. Now don't worry, because this is not set in stone. You can change pretty much whatever, and I'm gonna show you that in a second. Now over here on the right, if you scroll down, you have just below these blocks, you have the inner content. What the inner content is the content itself you can actually put inside these blocks. So these are the main building blocks you actually see over here, and if you want to add anything in them, you can do it using this down here. So let's say I want to add an image like over here. I can do that, or like maybe icon, alert, whatever. Let's just add a button for now. You can drag and drop it. Over here, it's going to give you a bunch of options where you can put it, and it's going to adapt according to whatever you want to do. So I'm going to add a button over here, and boop, there we got a button. You could add like alerts over here as well if you want to, etc. So it's completely up to you what you put in here. You can do whatever you want, however you want. Okay, you can even install some other ones as well by clicking the install button here and then adding them in here as well. Now that's the first part. Then of course, if you want to change anything on the site, you can just click on it and you can change anything. So for example, over here you can change this text. I'm going to type in let's begin. Okay, so I messed that up. I can press Ctrl and Z on my keyboard, and it's going to basically go back. It's going to undo. I can now highlight this, and I'm going to type in let's begin. Okay, like this. There we go. As you can see, very easy. You can then go anywhere. You can type in whatever. You can like change things. You could do pretty much whatever you want in here. So it's up to you, okay? This is kind of the visual editor. You can see what's going on. You can hover over it, click on it, and then you can, of course, see how it looks on the site. And then you can go ahead and customize anything you want. You can change paragraphs. You can change sizes. You can format text. You can delete different boxes by clicking on them and deleting them. You can duplicate them, move them around. There's a bunch of things you can do. Okay, so this visual editor is going to allow you to completely customize anything on your page. And what's also great is whenever you click on anything, like for example, we have this Tony Fred here, I can click on this image and it's going to pop up the style menu, and everything in here can be stylized using this menu over here. I can replace the image, for example, if I click on here, and if I just, let's just say I want to upload a different image, I can click on it, I can upload it, and it's going to get replaced just like this, okay? Very easy and simple. Now I can click on anything else, like these blocks, I can set backgrounds for them, I can do whatever I want, and and everything is possible just by clicking inside there, and you can change whatever here inside style. So if you go into style, this is what you can do in here. You can stylize any part of your site when you click on it, and yeah, the other things are pretty self-explanatory. You can get as creative as you want. Anything is possible in here in this style menu. And then last but not least, you have the theme button, which is the theme tab. And inside here, you can basically see the colors. You can click on here. You can change different color presets. If you don't like them, you can click on colors and set different ones like this. And that's going to completely change your outlook of your site here. And yeah, that's essentially how you do it. Then what you can also do is switch the overall theme. So if you want to do that, you can just press OK over here, and it's going to take you to over here where you can change and pick a different theme. I'm going to cancel this for now. Then what you can also do is, of course, change page layouts, languages. You can change everything regarding paragraphs within your website. So this will basically kind of change the overall theme, not just a singular block. If you want to change singular blocks, click on them, and the style tab is going to allow you to do this. But if you want to change the overall, like for example, size of fonts in paragraphs, if I do this 20, press enter, it's going to change all the paragraph sizes like this, as you can see, and you get the point. And you can of course change headings, you can change how buttons look and feel, you can change link styles, input fields, shadows, you have advanced options where you can even inject code, you could go ahead and put in Google Maps, etc. So that's essentially how to create a website on Odoo. Just when you're done, don't forget to click on the save button top right, and that's it. Now I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.